let's stay on the straight and narrow. Stick together just like a bow and arrow. We're headed in the right direction, don't lose control. Now don't look, don't ever look back, 'cause honey, don't you know we're on the right track. We got a combination too good to let go, yeah. Keep it in the middle of the road, honey, let's keep it in the middle of the road. Neither right nor left, right down the center we go. Don't let our love fall by the wayside like a lot of people I know. Whatever we do, let's keep it in the middle of the road.
Gotta be tough, stand our ground. Don't let nobody pull us down. Stay out of the fast lane and take it slow. We gotta love, steady as a rock, flowing like a river, spinning like a top. Got a combination too good to let go.
Keep it in the middle of the road, honey, let's keep it in the middle of the road. Neither right nor left, right down the center we go. Don't let our love fall by the wayside like a lot of people I know. Whatever we do, let's keep it in the middle of the road.
In the world that'll ever take the place of God's love. Silver and gold can't buy his love from above. And when I need healing, I start feeling his power. I say thank the Lord, I wouldn't take nothing for my journey now. Well, I wouldn't take nothing for my journey now. I gotta make it to heaven somehow. Though the devil in me and kind of turn me around. He's offered everything that's got a name, all the wealth I want. The world he made him, but still I wouldn't take nothing for my journey now.
Started out a traveling with a lot of many years ago. Had a lot of heartache, I've had a lot of grief and woe. When I would stumble, then I would humble down. There
big smile? Is it only 'cause you're lonely they have named you? For that Mona Lisa strain is in your smile. Well, is your smile to tempt a lover, Mona Lisa? Or is this your way to hide a broken heart? Many dreams have been brought to your doorstep. They just lie there and they die there. Are you warm? Are you real, Mona Lisa? Or just a cold and lonely, lovely world of art? Well, in a villa in a little old Italian town lives a girl whose beauty shames the road. Many yearn to love her, but their hopes all tumble down. What does she want? I guess nobody knows. Who is your smile to tempt a lover, Mona Lisa? Or is this your way to hide a broken heart? Are you warm? Are you real, Mona Lisa? Or just a cold and lonely, lovely work of art? Or just a cold and lonely, lovely work of art? Or just a cold and lonely, lovely work of art?
Country boy ain't got no shoes. Country boy ain't got no blues. Well, you work all day while you want to play in the sun and the sand with a face that's tan, but at the end of the day when your work is done, you ain't got nothing but fun. Country boy ain't got no ill. Country boy don't owe no bill. You get a wiggly worm and then you watch him squirm while you put him on a hook and then you drop him in the brook. And if everything's gonna turn out right, you're gonna fry fish tonight. Country boy, you're lucky free. Country boy, I wish I was you and you was me. Country boy, got work to do. Country boy, in the morning dew. You gotta cut the weeds, you got to plant the seeds. There's many a row you know you gotta hoe, but when it's quitting time and your work is through, there's a lot of life in you. Country boy, you got a shaggy dog. Country boy, up a holler log. Well, he comes in a run when you pick up your gun and with a shell or two, and your dog at you when you get your rabbit, you'll skin his hide. He's gonna be good fried. Country boy, you gotta learn to lose. Country boy, how I wish I was in your shoes. Old Brush Harbor's by the side of the road.
I remember them so clearly. Mom and Dad loved them so dearly. Old Brush Harbor's by the side of the road, where I learned about salvation from the book of Revelations. In Ann Arbor by the side of the road. Old Brush Harbor's by the side of where a sinner could lay down his heavy load. It was in those old brush harbors troubled souls found peaceful harbors. Brush harbors by the side of the road. Many times I have departed from the way of life I started in an arbor by the side of the road. But each time the devils caught me, I remembered what they taught me in brush arbors by the side of the road. Oh, brush arbors by the side of the road, where the mighty light of God's great mercy glowed. There was praying, shouting, singing, till the countryside was ringing. Brush arbors by the side of the road. Oh, brush arbors by the side of the road.
Touch me, touch the arms that once held all the charms of the world's sweetest girl. Touch me, maybe someday you may need to know how it feels when you lose. So touch me, and you'll know how you'd feel with the blues. Watch me, watch the eyes that have seen all the heartbreak and pain in the land, and be thankful that you're happy, though standing so close to the world's bluest man. Don't forget me. Take a good look at someone who's lost everything he can lose. And then touch me, and you'll know how you'd feel with the blues. Don't forget me. Take a good look at someone who's lost everything he can lose. And then touch me, and you'll know how you'd feel with the blues.
Mention my name in Sheboygan. It's the greatest little town in the world. Just tell them all you're an old friend of mine, and every door in town will have a big welcome sign. So mention my name in Sheboygan. And if you ever get in a jam, just mention my name. I said mention my name, but please don't tell them where I am. Mention my name in Paducah. It's the greatest little town in the world. I know a gal there you'll simply adore. She was Miss Paducah back in 1904. So mention my name in Paducah. And if you ever get in a mess, just mention my name. I said mention my name, but please don't give them my address. Mention my name in Tacoma. It's the greatest little town in the world. I know the big shots in their city hall. They even got my picture on the post office wall. So mention my name in Tacoma. And if you ever get in a spat, just mention my name. I said mention my name, but please don't tell them where I'm at. Please don't tell them where I'm at.
Hey, Tom. Oh, yeah, sure. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head, Tom Dooley. Oh, boy, you're bound to die.
Well, I pulled out of Pittsburgh, rolling down that eastern seaboard. I got my diesel wound up and she's a-running like I never before. There's a speed zone ahead, well, all right. I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got me 10 forward gears on a Georgia overdrive. I'm taking little white pills and my eyes are open wide. I just passed a Jimmy and a white. I've been passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. But it seems like a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some of the guys. I could find one to hold me tight, but I could never make believe it's all right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. ICC is the checking on down the line. Well, I'm a little overweight and my logbook's are way behind. But nothing bothers me tonight. I can dodge all the scales all right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, my rig's a little old, but that don't mean she's slow. There's a flame from her stack and that smoke's a blowing black as coal. My hometown's a coming in sight. If you think I'm happy, you're right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight.
That's what you say each time that I hold you this way. When I feel like this and I want to kiss you, baby, don't say no. Leave my embrace, for here in my arms is your place. When the night grows cold and I want to hold you, baby, don't say don't. If you think that this is just a game I'm playing, if you think that I don't mean every word I'm saying, don't feel that way. I'm your love and yours I will stay.
This you can believe, I will never leave you. Heaven knows I won't. Baby, don't say don't. Don't, please don't.
She would never say where she came from. Yesterday don't matter if it's gone. While the sun is bright or in the darkest night, no one knows. She comes and goes. Question why she needs to be so free. She'll tell you it's the only way to be. She just can't be chained to a life where nothing's gained or nothing's lost at such a cost. Time to lose, I heard her say. Catch your dreams before they slip away. Dying all the time. Lose your dreams and you will lose your mind. Ain't life unkind?
On a rainy day in March, friends and family gathered round to say the last goodbyes over 6 feet of newly dug ground. Ooh, Doogie Ray. Ooh, Doogie Ray. Mama Ray stood near the grave, bent by the years gone by. She clasped her withered old hands and in a proud, clear voice told her youngest goodbye. She said, Lord, we watched him grow from a little boy into a man strong and tough. But this time, Lord, you called, and Doogie couldn't raise her bluff. Doogie's life was drinking, cards, dice, and pool. He played the games of chance by no certain rule. But you knew him better than anyone, Lord. You saw the rough times he had. So when you balance the books, would you mix in the good so Doogie won't look so bad? The brothers stood around the grave together. They numbered 4. For the tools of Doogie's trade, that he'd have use for no more. Doogie Ray. Doogie Ray. As the preacher said his words, Brother Jim thought of whiskey and cried. The older brother, Fats in his hand, he held the dice. Doogie's brother Joe held the cards with tears in his eyes. As they turned to walk away, Brother Sam placed the 8-ball at his side. Doogie Ray. Doogie Ray.
They say for every boy and girl there's just one love in this whole world, and I know I found mine. The heavenly touch of your embrace tells me no one could take your place ever in my heart. Young love, just one kiss from your sweet lips will tell me that your love is real, and I can feel that it's true. We will vow to one another there will never be another love for you or for me. Young love, first love, fell with true devotion. Young love, our love, we share with deep emotion.
Please help me, I'm falling in love with you. Close the door to temptation. Don't let me walk through. Turn away from me, darling. I'm begging you to. Please help me, I'm falling in love with you. I belong to another whose arms have grown cold, but I promise forever to have and to hold. I can never be free
when I'm with you, I know that I'm losing the will to be true. Please help me, I'm falling, and that would be sin. Close the door to temptation, don't let me walk in, for I mustn't want you, but darling, I do. Please help me, I'm falling in love with you.
Some people say a man is made out of mud. A poor man's made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood and skin and bones. A mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 tons of number 9 coal, and the straw boss said, well, to bless my soul, you load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I was born one morning, it was drizzling rain. Fighting and trouble are my middle name. I was raised in McCain, break by an old mama line. Can't no high-toned woman make me walk the line. You load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. If you see me coming, better step aside. A lot of men didn't, a lot of men died. One fist of iron, the other of steel. If the right one don't get you, then the left one will. You load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe